Sharethrough is a native advertising platform,
a company which helps publishers monetize their inventory.
We track engagement. We track how many times people click, where they go when they click. My name is Michael Ruggiero. I'm team lead in engineering at Sharethrough. I want all of my people to be efficient, to do work that is fun for them, but also creates value for the company. And Databricks allows them to do that more quickly and efficiently, and it allows them to have fun. They're able to go inside the data and explore the data, learn about the data, without having to build lots of new infrastructure.
My name is Neil Patel. Time is money, especially when you're trying to compete with the likes of Facebook and Google and Twitter and those guys. We don't have time to waste on opsing and figuring out why our cluster went down. Because we're using Spark on Databricks as well as Spark and the rest of our data processing, things like code reuse are huge, as well as the ability to just make that platform available to other people.
It also allows us to create new libraries. We can create new libraries that are really customized for the Spark use case.
Our end users have been able to get to see new features faster than they have in the past. My name is Russell Cardulo. I'm a tech lead at Sharethrough. Databricks has brought different facets of our organization together, from data science to product to engineering, and giving them a common platform and a common language to speak and open up new opportunities to collaborate. Before Databricks, we had lots of different ways that we would have to utilize to analyze data. So if we had nightly reporting jobs, we would use Hadoop MapReduce for that. But then if we wanted to run an ad hoc analysis, often we would use Hive. And so that presented some challenges, because if we had different pre-processing we would apply, we would need to translate that over from the MapReduce side to the Hive side. It also is hard to share code between these different sources.
We're processing probably through our pipeline around a couple terabytes a day. And at that level, that's not going to fit in a spreadsheet. So Databricks allows us to sort of funnel that down, sort of make it more concise, and make it so that data is more manageable to work with. I don't need to invest like a day and a half writing this complex code and then finding out my code doesn't work.
We have all of our application logs shipped to S3 in Amazon, and we're able to use Databricks to do debugging of that. So I think when we've had issues, we've been able to turn them around faster, because we can use Databricks to look through all the logs and find patterns and use that to troubleshoot an issue. Whereas in the past, you would have to try to reproduce it, or you'd say oh, the logs are locked up here, but there's so many of them to search through.
If we want to develop a new product and we want to understand how it's performing, and we want to kind of explore the data in an open-ended way, we can do that now. All three of those things we can do now using one technology, as opposed to using multiple technologies, which we had to do before. Now at Databricks, we're able to get to market much, much faster on solutions, and kind of try out new things on the fly whenever we feel like it, and see how well it works.
It's been a huge time saving. So just simply because there's no extra code that we have to write. So that's huge for us.